Okay, we're going to go over the communicate questions on page 88. Okay, question number one. Imagine life 200 years ago without electrical devices. Which electrical device would you miss most? Okay, so if we go back 200 years ago, no electricity. So that means our lives are totally changed. No light bulbs, no computers, no MP3 players, no phones, cell phones. But I think probably the thing I would miss the most is my furnace system. Now, most of you probably have natural gas or geothermal in your houses, but you have to remember, even though they're using the power from natural gas to heat the house or the heat from geothermal from within the ground, there are still electrical fans and electrical pumps that are used to circulate the heat throughout your house. Question two, describe what a day in your life would be like if you had no electricity. So it could be a little bit different depending on what you do, but our whole life is kind of ran by electricity. Our alarm clocks in the morning, our heating systems and that, our computers, our videos, everything runs on electricity. So if we did not have that, your day would be totally different. A great portion of your day would be used up just getting fuel to heat your homes. Communication would be much, much, much longer. Okay, question number three. Work with a small group. Read and discuss the following statement. We are more dependent on electricity than people were in the past. Present your ideas to the class. So it definitely is much different than it was in the past, but just a few things when you go over your question. Try to think of what school would be like without electricity. What would your home be like without electricity? What would mealtime be like without electricity? So it'd be much, much different from what we are experiencing every day. Question number four. How do you think the public might have felt about some of the experiments that were being conducted to learn more about electricity? What groups of people might be against these experiments? Who would be in favor of these experiments? What do you think about these experiments? Now, with electricity, there was a lot of fear behind it when experiments were first done on it. People just simply did not understand electricity. Usually, their only experience with it really was seeing lightning and the devastation left behind with that. I know when Nikola Tesla was doing many of his electrical experiments, there was quite an uproar in his community.